Welcome back to The Drive. And today we're diving into a 3-row SUV that perfectly balances family comfort, bold design, and real-world capability. Yes, I'm talking about the 2026 Nissan Pathfinder. If you're looking for a practical SUV that still feels strong, confident, and modern on the road, then this one deserves your attention. So sit back, relax, and let's explore everything the 2026 Pathfinder has to offer. The 2026 Nissan Pathfinder continues the rugged and squared-off design language that made recent models so popular. From the front, it carries a bold V-motion grille finished in chrome or gloss black depending on the trim. The LED headlights are sharp and sleek, with signature daytime running lights that give it a premium look even at night. The front bumper looks muscular, and the wide stance gives this SUV a commanding road presence. Moving to the side profile, the Pathfinder looks strong and balanced. You get sculpted body lines running across the doors, black cladding around the wheel arches, and stylish alloy wheels ranging from 18 inches to 20 inches depending on the variant. The floating roof design, thanks to the blacked-out pillars, adds a modern touch. Roof rails come standard on most trims, making it perfect for road trips and outdoor adventures. At the rear, the LED taillights are slim and wrap around the corners, giving it a clean and sophisticated appearance. The rear bumper is sturdy, and higher trims offer a hands-free power liftgate, which is very useful when your hands are full with groceries or luggage. Overall, the exterior design feels premium yet tough, which is exactly what many families want today. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2026 Nissan Pathfinder is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine. This naturally aspirated V6 produces around 295 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. That's strong performance for a family SUV. It's paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission that delivers quick and refined gear shifts. Unlike older CVT systems, this traditional automatic provides better driving confidence and stronger acceleration feel. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Pathfinder offers competitive numbers for its class. You can expect around 21 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway for the front-wheel drive model. All-wheel drive is available for those who want extra traction in rain, snow, or light off-road conditions. And speaking of capability, the 2026 Pathfinder can tow up to 6,000 pounds when properly equipped. That's impressive. Whether you want to tow a small camper, boat, or trailer, this SUV can handle it without stress. The intelligent 4x4 system offers multiple drive modes like Standard, Sport, Eco, Snow, Sand, Mud, Rut, and Tow mode. This gives you confidence no matter where you're driving. Now let's step inside the cabin. The interior of the 2026 Pathfinder is where comfort meets technology. Nissan has clearly focused on making this SUV family-friendly. It offers 3 rows of seating with space for up to 8 passengers. You can also choose second-row captain's chairs for a 7-seat configuration, which adds a more premium feel. The seats are supportive and comfortable for long drives. Higher trims offer leather-appointed seating, heated and ventilated front seats, and even heated rear seats. The driver's seat is power-adjustable with memory function. The cabin materials feel high quality, with soft touch surfaces and stylish stitching details across the dashboard. Technology is another strong point. The base model comes with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, while higher trims feature a large 12.3-inch display. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and wireless connectivity is available on upper trims. There's also a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster for the driver, which looks modern and customizable. One of the most impressive features is the available head-up display. It projects key information like speed and navigation directions directly onto the windshield, helping you keep your eyes on the road. A wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports across all 3 rows, and a premium Bose sound system make the cabin even more enjoyable. In terms of space, the Pathfinder delivers excellent practicality. Even with all 3 rows up, there's usable cargo space in the back. Fold down the 3rd row, and you get a large area for luggage. Fold both the 2nd and 3rd rows, and the space becomes huge, perfect for big family trips or moving larger items. Safety is extremely important in a family SUV, and Nissan understands that. The 2026 Pathfinder comes standard with Nissan Safety Shield 360. This includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, and high beam assist. Adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist are also available, making highway driving much easier. The 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view around the vehicle, which helps during parking or tight spaces. This is especially useful for a larger SUV like this. Overall, the safety package makes the Pathfinder feel secure and dependable. Now let's talk about driving experience. On the road, the Pathfinder feels stable and composed. The steering is light but accurate, making city driving easy. The suspension is tuned for comfort, so bumps and rough roads are handled smoothly. Even at highway speeds, the cabin remains quiet thanks to good sound insulation. Acceleration from the V6 engine is strong and confident. When you press the accelerator, the SUV moves quickly without feeling sluggish. Overtaking on highways is easy. The 9-speed transmission responds quickly, and downshifts are smooth when needed. For those who enjoy light off-road adventures, the Pathfinder can handle dirt roads and uneven terrain without any major problems. It's not a hardcore off-roader like some body-on-frame SUVs, but for camping trips in rural areas, it performs very well. Trim levels for the 2026 model include S, SV, SL, Rock Creek, and Platinum. The Rock Creek trim is especially interesting. It's designed for adventure lovers, with off-road tuned suspension, all-terrain tires, unique badging, and a rugged appearance package. If you want a more premium experience, the Platinum trim offers quilted leather seats, advanced tech, and luxury touches that compete with higher-end brands. Pricing for the 2026 Nissan Pathfinder is expected to start around the mid-$37,000 range for the base model and can go above $50,000 for the fully loaded Platinum trim. Considering its power, space, technology, and safety features, it offers strong value in the competitive midsize SUV segment. When compared to rivals like the Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, and Ford Explorer, the Pathfinder stands out because of its strong V6 engine and higher towing capacity. Many competitors are now moving towards smaller turbocharged engines, but Nissan keeps the proven V6, which many drivers still prefer for smooth power delivery. To sum it up, the 2026 Nissan Pathfinder is a well-rounded SUV. It combines bold styling, a powerful V6 engine, impressive towing capability, modern technology, strong safety features, and family-friendly practicality. Whether you're driving in the city, heading on a road trip, or towing a trailer for a weekend getaway, this SUV is built to handle it all with confidence. If you're in the market for a midsize 3-row SUV that feels dependable, comfortable, and powerful without stepping into luxury brand pricing, the Pathfinder should definitely be on your shortlist. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Nissan Pathfinder, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to The Drive for more honest and detailed car reviews. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, drive safe and take care.